making a video in here specifically. Yep, you can see this is a lounge for Alegance. This is going to be a short video. I don't want a really long video like the last few. I can still hear that plane flying around. Just waiting for my coffee, but here's my water to lubricate my mouth. Much better. So much better. Like I said, it helps me rehydrate and to feel better and to have a more wet mouth like it's supposed to be, not dry like it has been. And it gets really dry when I don't drink much. But anyway, that's it for now. But let me show you again.